Hey everyone, my name is Jaber and I'm the top one trader on the leaderboard on ChartChamps. Right here, Jaber.m with 1200 points. Yep, that's me. And this video I'm gonna explain to you ChartChamps and how to play it. So let's start with this home page. So in the beginning, you're gonna sign up or sign in like any other website, and then you're gonna see this home page. So first of all, this is the graphic, the equity right here. I think traders are familiar with this kind of stuff. If you lose matches, you go down. If you win matches, so was a winning streak, and then a few losses, a few wins, a few losses, a few wins. But on the long term, I'm going up a bit. And this one right here is to play online 1vs1. This is to rank up if you want. Every time you win, you make 8 points. Every time you lose 8 points. And here's practiced, risk free, so you don't lose points right here if you play, if you just want to practice. So this is like if extra play for free. You know what I'm saying? This is an incredible website. I like it so much. And right here we got the daily challenge right there. Just enter like da daily challenge, like normal stuff. Yeah, this one doesn't affect your ranking as well. And this box right here is for the current rank. So my current rank is 1200 points and I have the master title. Everyone's gonna start with 500 and you make your way up. And you see almost in the beginning I need like 180 points more to go to the grand master. Right here is the performance states right there. I have played 187 matches. I win 78 of them, 78% of them. This match win rate. And trade success, I took 800 trades. I have 67 win rate. And the best BNO in one match is 24%, average BNO 3%, was lost 4%, and average share size is 5.9. And this is the friends. I have like total 6 friends. And if you want to show one of your friends, you can just click here and show them. Right here is the match history. So you got the ranking matches, the tournament matches. I haven't done any tournament matches. So I have never been in a tournament. And challenges, which is like the daily challenges and the practice. So tournaments, challenges, practice, both of these three doesn't affect your ranking. Okay. So right here you got the type ranking, as you can see, and this is the opponent guy I'll play with, and this might be an alpha than match, and this is the trade stays. I lose one. I mean, I lose one. I went to, I don't know. It says 2005, something like that. I end up with profits, and here is the result. So in this match, I win eight. I win eight. Every time you win eight, and every time you lose eight. As you can see, I was eight here. I was eight here. I was eight here. Let's go to click in here again. This is ranking match, just you can just play it from there, from your home page. Come on, what? So you can just play from here, from your home page, or practice or daily challenge. Okay, so here's rank match, practice mode, and here just play with your friends, click challenge them. This guy's online, but all this is offline. Could be link, could be invited link. I don't know what that is. I play this. This is the daily showing. This is the top guys and the daily challenges. I don't play daily challenges. And this is the tournament right there. So this private tournaments. You can just play with your friends. in private, or you can make it public. Like, do you have any this one's public, but already in. So the current ones is private, the active tournaments right here. So to create a tournament, click create tournament and current tournament title, whatever you wanna call it, like I don't know, me ES Mike, maybe something like that. And then make it private or not, and then you click the symbol, but there's only Nasdaq and the balance, the player limited. You can make it up to 1,000 player. I think it's gonna be very active if there is like 1,000 user. Okay, and it is the time limit. So max is 1 hour. I think if they could make like a week, tournament that lasts for a week, that will be nice. They work on so hard. They're gonna make this website much better. I think I called this website early. It will be a great website. And here is the leaderboard. Global ranking with currently 4,421 user, and I'm the top one right here. Let's go to this page, friends. So this is total friends, no one who's online. You can search any guy you know. Yeah, I want that. Okay, so your friend user, just let it here and send them a friend like that. Then this is the current friends, the online ones. That's fine. But the leaderboard as well, you got only 25, so you gotta be in the top 25. I mean, the top 25 is only 604. So it's gonna be a great website. Go there, sign up. I don't have Italian link as this is all free. Can you imagine this website for free? That's incredible. And I think I have covered everything for this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below and be safe.